Mufaro.
Yo, what's good, everybody? It's your boy Mufaro J, and today I have a Homicide Gang, Carti, Whole Lotta Red, Rage, Hard Guitar, whatever you want to call it type beat today. First things first, I want to talk about the inspiration behind this beat. Shout out to my homie Kurt. You guys might have seen him if you've seen a video on TikTok like this or on YouTube Shorts like this.
If you can't rap to this easy beat, your mom should have never had you.
This is who I'm talking about. Alright, so this is the part of the loop that I actually used. The BPM for this originally was 130. I sped it up to 150 because that's kind of a trend with the Carti type beats. And I put, some gross beat, halftime, did a little EQ, and I put hardcore on there. And this is what this sounds like now. That is definitely some Carti, like live performance Carti for sure type vibes. So originally I just used these two sounds from Serum that sounded like this. I thought that was hard. I thought that was crazy. So then I was like, yo, I want to hear what that sounds like with that little guitar piece. So FL Slayer, as y'all know, that is free, stock plugin. I chopped it up a little bit to add some strumming, and I messed around with the velocity to kind of give it a choppier sound. And then I added this little top melody piece for the guitar. This adds a little bit more of the sauce. Once that came together, the rest it's a wrap, you know what I'm saying? If y'all have ever experimented with the Carti Whole Lotta Red sound, once you really get that melody down, it just comes together. So first things first, I started with the clap, added a hat, added the snare, another hat, this little thing that I kind of created. I'll play that for you guys later. Another snare and another snare. Alright guys, so here's what all that plus the melodies sound like. Now with this beat, I had two 808s. Actually, I had three. And what I did was, part of it is just for the hook, and the other part is for like the verse. All right, guys. So here's what the one for the verse sounds like. And yeah, that's basically it. So, as always, I'm going to play the entire beat at the end of the video, so you guys stay tuned for that. I want to give a huge shout out to all my subscribers and anybody tuning into this video. Without you guys and without your support, I could not do this, so I definitely appreciate that. Thank you. Second, I want to give a huge shout out to Kurt. Could not have made this beat without him. He sent me that fire loop, and hey, we made magic together. So go ahead and subscribe to this YouTube. Follow him on TikTok. Follow him on Instagram. Real dope guy. You guys can also learn a lot from him as well. So definitely check him out. Last but not least, give this video a like. Leave a comment. Any feedback is always welcome, whether that's positive or negative. I love constructive criticism. Once again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.